In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a permanent search bar to the header of your Shopify Dawn theme. This will replace the existing search icon modal button, providing a more accessible way for customers to search your store. Before we dive into the steps, please remember that this process involves editing your theme's code. To safeguard your work and ensure everything runs smoothly, it's a good idea to create a backup of your current theme first. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, click on Online Store, and then select Themes. From the list, find your Dawn theme. Click on Actions and then choose Duplicate. This will create a backup copy that you can safely work on without affecting your live store. Once you have your backup, click on Actions again for your newly duplicated theme and select Edit Code. You'll now be in the code editing interface for your theme. What we want to do is make changes to the header section of your site. So in the sidebar, look for the Sections folder and open the file labeled header.liquid. This file contains all the layout and structure information for your header, including the current setup for the search icon modal. Within the header.liquid file, search for the line that reads %render header search. Input id. Search in modal. %. This line is responsible for displaying the search icon that currently triggers a pop-up modal when clicked. We're going to replace this line with the code for a permanent search bar. Go ahead and either remove or comment out the existing render line. In its place, paste the code snippet I'm providing. This code block creates a fully functioning search bar right in your header. It checks if predictive search is enabled in your settings and adapts accordingly, ensuring your search features are always optimized for user experience. The input field is styled with basic HTML and includes an accessible button for submitting search queries. With the search bar in place, it's time to refine its appearance. Staying within the theme code area, navigate to your CSS files. You might find this in Base, or you could opt to create a new snippet file. Here, you'll add the following CSS rules to style and position your search bar neatly within the header. This styling will align the search bar, set dimensions, and define the look of the input field and button, ensuring everything blends seamlessly with the rest of your site's design. Once you've added these styles, go ahead and save your changes. Now it's time to see the fruits of your labor. Preview your store to ensure that everything appears just as you want it. Your Shopify Dawn theme should now have a permanent, stylish search bar prominently featured in the header, ready for your customers to use.